With V-Ray GPU Next, you can now render environment fog and volumetric effects on GPU. Simply start an IPR and add the V-Ray environment fog from the Environment and Effects window. You can then make adjustments to the fog height and distance to your liking. In addition, you can turn on the Scatter GI option to emulate a more natural light distribution. Now let's experiment with a few different sun positions and settings. For example, we can change the sun's turbidity parameter to make the sky appear more dusty, and see how this affects the environment fog in our scene. Next, let's disable the V-Ray sun and unhide the night lights layer. If we switch over to the atmosphere render element, we can inspect how the fog is affected by the lighting. Now let's enable the street lamps in the V-Ray light lister and adjust the color and intensity of the lights. I'm also going to make a few more tweaks to the fog settings here to find something I like, and then we can inspect the atmosphere render element again. When you're ready, you can switch back to the effects result and render your final image.